Year 2018 disappeared.
No problem. I will go back using a time machine and get it back.
Oh,
To buy this mug, visit umsum.com.
Firstly, world's last male northern white rhinoceros passed away in Kenya. If 2018 disappeared, animal lovers would be one happy lot. Secondly, South Korea hosted the Winter Olympics for the first time in 2018. If 2018 disappeared, South Koreans would be one sad lot. Thirdly, super blue blood moon occurred after more than 100 years in 2018. If 2018 disappeared, fans of astronomy would be one sad lot. Fourthly, the 2018 California wildfires were extremely destructive. If 2018 disappeared, wild animals would be one happy lot. Lastly, France won the 2018 FIFA World Cup. If 2018 disappeared, entire France may go on strike.